In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Security and Privacy. Now tap on Lock Screen. Select one of those login methods, PIN, password or pattern, and then create it. If you made a mistake, don't worry, just tap on Retry at the bottom left corner and redo it. Then choose Continue, repeat it to confirm it, and hit Confirm. If you want to manage lock screen notifications, you can turn them on or switch them off thanks to this switcher. Then adjust them however you wish if you decided you want to enable them. Finally, hit Done and go back. So when I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!